This is our daughter Shah's anime eyes. I'll show you this bit here. This is really interesting, where it comes together. So, this is almost closed over. Hang on. Two into one. Hang on. Becky's gonna kick me in the ass for turning the camera like that. She said people don't like to see that. So it goes up, but when it's eventually finished, it'll be cut sort of here, and this comes to a point. This will be like really thick and come thin, but this is almost grown over. The other side, hang on. This side is not as healed over, because this come out here. We cut it off. It's healing, but the reason this hasn't grown as fast as it, like this is one tree. Alright. The reason that side hasn't healed over as quick as this side's thicker, is because of our house is here. The sun goes down over there, so this part's in shade. So this tree here doesn't get as much sun as that side of the canopy. So this one's growing slower. This one will be harvested maybe 3 or 4 months, 5 months ahead of this one when it gets to the size. It's the way it works. Sun is food.